Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Excel settings to default. To begin, open Regedit from the search box. Now open the registry editor and click Yes to access it. After, go to the path that you see on the screen. Here, go to the Office folder to then access the version that you currently use in your apps. After this, select the Excel folder. Right-click and click Delete. Confirm this clicking Yes option. Now open Excel to see that it has been reset to default. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.